This online tool will help you make graphs quickly. You'll notice a graph already made for you showing the shadow lengths over one day in May. You can add other months to the graph too. Over on the data table, hold on to the month that you want to add, and then you'll go over to the plus sign in the upper left corner of the graph. CODAP will add the shadow data from September, or whichever month you select, onto the graph. You may need to resize it to make it easier to see. So you can drag either side here in the upper left or in the bottom right to resize that graph if it makes it easier to read. You can add other months by following the same process. If you need to remove a month, click the month on the graph and select Remove. You can always resize again if you need to. One more tip that you may want to keep in mind, you'll notice that some of these months have more data points than others. If you want to compare 2 months and one of those months has more points than another month, you'll want to add the month with more points first for the data to display correctly. So I'll give you an example. I want to add July, go over to the plus, I'll take off May, and then if I add August onto that same graph, then my data will display correctly.